Boy, things were tough back in the 70s, you know, and they were pretty bad, but went from bad to worse in the 80s, you know, in the Carter years. Oh, you had to learn how to eat economically. And here's another one of those meals that Pappy puts together for you. This is cheesy green bean casserole. And I just cut up 3 hot dogs. You can cut up as much as you want. You make the macaroni and cheese. And this is the surprise part of the green bean casserole. And of course, the green beans. There it is. Cheesy green bean casserole from PappysCorner. We can't forget Pappy's Pup. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.